Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore one of the most important technologies shaping the world right now, AI chatbots. You have probably seen people using AI to write messages, study faster, create business plans, make videos, and even automate their entire daily work. But many people still don't fully understand what an AI chatbot actually is, how it works, or how they can use it to improve their lives. In this video, I'm going to explain AI chatbots in the simplest way possible. No difficult words, no technical confusion, just a clear explanation that anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you will know what an AI chatbot is, how it works, how people use it for business, school, and everyday tasks, why it is becoming so powerful today, and how you can benefit from it starting right now. So, let's begin.
What is an AI chatbot? An AI chatbot is a computer program that can talk with you, understand what you say, and reply with smart answers. It uses artificial intelligence to understand language the same way humans do. Think of it as a digital assistant you can chat with anytime. You ask a question and understands, it gives a useful answer. Some chatbots use text, some use voice, some are inside apps or websites or on your phone. What makes AI chatbots special is that they can create new answers, not just copy old ones. 2. How does an AI chatbot work? AI chatbots are trained using large amounts of data, books, conversations, articles, examples, and more. This helps them understand patterns in language. When you type something, the chatbot reads your message, understands what you want, predicts the best answer, responds instantly. It uses deep learning and natural language processing. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Simply type your question and the AI responds. 3. Types of AI chatbots. A. Customer support chatbots. These answer questions like shipping, returns, payments, or product info. B. Education chatbots. Students use them to explain topics, answer questions, and prepare for exams. C. Business chatbots. They help companies talk to customers, automate sales, and guide users. D. Personal assistant chatbots. These help you write emails, organize tasks, and manage your schedule. E. Content creator chatbots. Used for writing scripts, generating captions, brainstorming ideas, and editing content. Each type is designed to do a specific job. 4. Why are AI chatbots useful? They save time. You get answers immediately. They work 24/7. Even at night, they can help customers. They reduce costs. Businesses don't need to hire many people for basic questions. They increase productivity. Students, workers, and creators do tasks faster. They handle many people at once. Thousands of chats, no problem for AI. This is why companies around the world are using chatbots every day. 5. Real-life examples of AI chatbots. Example 1. Online stores. A customer asks, "Do you deliver to my country?" The chatbot answers immediately. Example 2. Students. A student says, "Explain this lesson in simple English." The chatbot creates an easy explanation. Example 3. YouTube creators. A creator asks for ideas, titles, or scripts. The chatbot generates full video content. Example 4. Businesses. A business owner uses a chatbot to answer common questions instantly. These examples show how AI fits into everyday life. 6. Benefits for students. Students can use AI chatbots to summarize long notes, explain difficult topics, create flashcards, practice languages, improve writing, make study plans. AI makes studying faster and easier. 7. Benefits for business owners. Business owners can use chatbots to answer customer questions, suggest products, help customers 24/7, collect information, automate sales, improve professionalism. This gives businesses a huge advantage. 8. Benefits for content creators. AI chatbots help creators with video ideas, titles, and thumbnails, full script, social media captions, editing, outlines, comment replies. You can run a full faceless channel using AI tools. 9. Limitations of AI chatbots. While AI is powerful, it is not perfect. Sometimes it gives outdated information, misunderstands questions, makes mistakes, sounds confident even when wrong. This is why you should double-check important information. Use AI as a helper, not the only source of truth. 10. How to use an AI chatbot correctly. 1. Ask clear questions. More details equals better answers. 2. Give context. For example, write a polite message to my customer about delivery. 3. Choose your style. Professional, friendly, short, long. Tell the AI what you want. 4. Ask follow-up questions. You can say, improve this, make it shorter, or rewrite it. 5. Experiment. The more you use AI, the better you understand how to get great results. 11. The future of AI chatbots. The future is big. AI chatbots will become faster, smarter, more personalized, used in schools, hospitals, businesses, and government, able to help with tasks automatically. People who learn AI now will have a huge advantage in the future. Thank you for watching today's lesson about AI chatbots. Now you understand what they are, how they work, and how they can help you in school, business, and daily life. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment AI chatbot. So I know you want more tutorials. Share with someone who wants to learn AI. More videos are coming soon about automation, AI tools, and digital skills you can use to grow your life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.